I will be glad to meet you at the ground. That's the place where we figure out how to evolve startup ideas even before the startup idea is already formed. And that typically takes two components. First one is figuring out how can you iterate on your product, how can you come to your MVP, how can you find your potential market, right? And the opposite approach is that you start with a market and you narrow down it to your size of potential product. That's why the ground is the place where co-founders can meet. It's the place where teams can meet, because in conversation you are able to figure out what's important for you, what's important for your next step, and it is a good opportunity to close that abyss. The abyss exists quite for everyone. So if you are on the technology side, you're capable to build the projects, but it takes some time and some understanding to see how you can build a project which will gradually evolve into something that you will call your business. On product side, it takes a lot of effort to actually build the market, nurture the market, and when you're ready, it just makes no sense to chase person with money, to chase person with technology, and that's an opposite way of co-founding, because here you can meet a person who is already building toward a product which is relevant in your market, and a lot of technology it has similar DNA like fruit flies. It's like 60% the same, but other 40% is what we need to focus on. So here you potentially can meet a person who already got as close to the 60%. And that's quite good, because from investor perspective, for example, when you have such two components as prepared and performant market and somewhat ready product or product environment, you have ability to build that infinite game, which gives you much more confidence